So lights on, lights off. Crazy, crazy. Oh my gosh. Studio lights off. Now it's pitch black, but look at the quality of this. It can still see me. It can still see me in pitch black. You guys can't see me anymore here, right? You can't see me, but the camera can see me. The camera can see me right here. Look how good the quality is. And there's no light. There's no light right now, see? There's no light. It's crazy. It's picking up me, and it looks like during the day, but look how dark I am. You can't even see me. Can you even see me right here? You can't see me, right? But look at this. It's so good. Like, this is crazy good. This is so useful. Sometimes people prefer to not have a flashing light. You want to just have a camera to capture the footage in low lights without disrupting the atmosphere. Everything is nice and dark, but you can see so clear. Like, this is so clear. Like, you can't see me right here, right? Like, let me see. Let me see. Can I show you? Like, here's light on my face. You see how dark it is? You see how dark it is? But on the camera, you can see me perfectly. It's so good, right? Yeah. That's the beauty of this thing. It's awesome. Alright, so this is by far my favorite feature about this camera, and that is this ability to capture in low light. And it's able to do that because of the very, very high quality sensor inside. Big sensor, big aperture too. So that means the lens is very wide, allows a lot of light to come in so you can see really clearly. And it's just crazy, right? So let me turn back my lights. Boom, now we're back in the studio. And you see how this thing adjusts itself? It adjusts itself. So it still works fine. And then here we go. Switch off the lights. Boom, it readjusts itself. And look at that. It still sees me. See? Lights on. Oh man, that's nuts. Here, let me turn out the background right there. So lights on, lights off. Crazy, crazy. Oh my gosh.